Born in 1955, Steve Jobs was adopted by a couple who weren't even college graduates, but still they sent him to college with their very little savings. Steve dropped out of the college in just 6 months of getting admission, but still Steve Jobs was able to make a company that revolutionized the technology forever. In his speech of Stanford University, Steve shared the lifelong lessons which helped him to make everything possible he wanted from life. This video is going to share 3 lessons of that speech which can change the way you think about life and can help you to achieve whatever you want from life. Connecting dots backward. Steve Jobs was a college student just like many of you, but Steve was different. He didn't follow the usual path. Instead, he dropped out of college because he didn't see the value in it. This decision might seem strange, but it was just the beginning of Steve's incredible journey. After dropping out, Steve Jobs didn't have a clear plan. He didn't know what he wanted to do with his life, but he trusted that things would work out somehow. He decided to stay in college and take classes that interested him, like calligraphy. Calligraphy is the art of beautiful handwriting, and Steve found it fascinating. At that time, Steve didn't realize that how important calligraphy would become in his life. He didn't know that learning about different fonts and spacing would shape the future of technology. But years later, when he was designing the first Macintosh computer, Steve remembered what he had learned about calligraphy. He made sure that the Macintosh had beautiful fonts and typography unlike any other computer at that time. Looking back, Steve realized that the dots in his life had connected in unexpected ways. Dropping out of college led him to calligraphy, which in turn influenced the design of the Macintosh. This taught Steve an important lesson that you can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backward. Steve wanted the graduates to understand that life is unpredictable. You may not know where you are headed or why certain things happen to you, but if you trust in yourself and follow your interests, the dots will connect in the future for sure. Even if you can't see it now, everything you do matters. Every experience, whether good or bad, shapes you, who you are, and where you are going. So the first lesson from Steve Jobs is simple. Trust that the dots will connect in the future. Don't be afraid to follow your intuition and do what feels right, even if it doesn't make sense at the time. Follow your heart. After dropping out of college and trying to find his path in life, Steve recalled feeling lost and uncertain about his future, but he knew deep down that he wanted to do something meaningful and impactful. Jobs emphasized the importance of following one's passion and intuition, even when faced with uncertainty and criticism. He shared how he founded Apple Computer in his parents' garage with his friend Steve Wozniak, driven by their shared vision and passion for technology. Despite facing numerous challenges and setbacks along the way, including getting fired from the company he co-founded, Jobs remained steadfast in his commitment to following his heart. He believed in the power of passion and creativity to drive innovation and change the world. In his speech, Jobs encouraged the graduates to listen to their inner voice and have the courage to pursue their dreams, even if it meant taking risks and going against the norm. He reminded them that life is too short to waste on things that don't excite them, and urged them to find what they love and pursue it with all their heart. The story of following his heart led Jobs to create groundbreaking products like the iPhone and iPad, revolutionizing the technology industry and leaving a lasting legacy. He hoped to inspire the graduates to trust their instincts, stay true to themselves, and follow their dreams no matter where they may lead. Stay hungry, stay foolish. While Steve decided to take a chance in his life, he started a small company in his parents' garage with his friend Steve Wozniak. They didn't have much money or experience, but they had passion and determination. Together, they built their first computer, the Apple I. It was just a simple circuit board, but it was the beginning of something great. Steve and Steve were hungry for success. They worked day and night, pouring their hearts and souls into their work, but they weren't afraid to be foolish either. They took risks and made mistakes along the way. They didn't always know what they were doing, but they never lost sight of their vision. Their hard work paid off when they released their second computer, the world's first personal computer. It was a game changer and Apple became a household name. But Steve Jobs wasn't content to stop there. He stayed hungry for more. He wanted to push the boundaries of what was possible. So he took another chance and started a new company called Next. Next wasn't successful as Apple, but Steve didn't give up. He kept pushing forward, determined to make a difference, and eventually his hard work paid off when Apple bought Next, bringing Steve back to the company he had co-founded. Throughout his life, Steve Jobs remained hungry and foolish. He never settled for mediocrity in his life. He always strove for greatness even when others doubted him. In his speech to the graduates, Steve shared this lesson: stay hungry, stay foolish. He encouraged them to never be satisfied with the status quo. And so the lesson of stay hungry, stay foolish teaches us to never lose our hunger for success and to embrace our foolishness, for it is often in our mistakes that we find our greatest achievement. If you want to know how to stop procrastination, then click here, or you can click here too, because YouTube liked this video. Goodbye.